It says there's a 20-minute wait for it, so it's definitely worthwhile that we bought the fast pass. But let's just go straight for it then, Zacko. This is the Oblivion. This is this one. Look, you fall into a hole in the ground. Let's just watch it fall off again. This is my favourite roller coaster of all time. Look, it just stops, it holds you there, and it just drops you down into the ground.
What happens down there?
You die. Right, again, we're going to have to film it on our phones. Well, I'll tell you what, this fast pass, already worth it. If we've saved ourselves 20 minutes of queuing. Obviously, I've never bought fast pass before, because I've always been too tight, and any time I've come to Alton Towers, I'm on a budget. And now we're on that silver fast pass budget, baby. Right, let's get back on it then, Dan. You ready, Zacko? How you feeling? You're going to absolutely love this, I promise you. Eyes open, you're going to love it. You ready?